Oi, people!
It's adventure time.
So, just to bring you up to speed as to where I am and what's going on. Been 44 days on the road today. Basically did 1,600 kilometer loop. Kind of just hanging around, saw my friend's wedding and another friend's birthday party. So that's done now. That was completed the previous weekend and this past weekend that just happened. So at this point in time we are free range and we can go anywhere. So the next place that we're going to is called Napier.
I'm really happy how I'm feeling on the bike. I feel in control. But just sticking in my limits. That's it. Haven't felt once a bit out of my limits. Breezy. Just weights on the outside. Oh, rumbling in the mountains.
Absolutely just rumbling through the mountains at the moment. Yo, thank goodness they made this hard pack. Look at that thick sand. That would have sucked. Actually need to watch for sand patches. Like loose. Oh, here's a bit of a... Oh, that was a hard hit. Suspension just chowed that.
Yeah. These tracks don't look very old. Yeah, thick sand. Pushing through there. Just remember to tractor through it. Yeah, these are getting very marshy. This is starting to get... This ground is extremely soft. Okay. Weight back. Constant. Oh. Suspension did its thing there. Well done, suspension. Okay, weight back. Okay, we're in sand now. Weight back. Constant throttle. Well done, weight back. Yeah, focus. Yeah, this is good. Just constant throttle. Just focus on keeping a constant throttle. Okay, sand loosen up a little bit. Focus, weight outside. Yeah, well done. Yeah. Got a bit of a problem here. Okay. I want to walk it first. We do not want to go upside down here. This looks like the best. But then when we get here, this starts getting sketchy. Oh, you know what? I want to walk it. I'm just gonna walk it. I'm not gonna ride it, because if a rock knocks me over and the bike falls over, it might go in. I don't think you can see it on the GoPro, but there's a ledge there that's quite aggressive. So I'm just gonna walk it. Okay. This is quite honest. A little bit nervous. Yeah, a little bit nervous. Just keep it going. Yeah! Come on. Just keeping my way to the left. Okay, cool. We made it. Okay. Yo. Because everything was just leading to go down into that. I don't think you can see on the GoPro how big the ledge was. I pressed on towards Napier, filled with excitement and a sense of wonder for the journey ahead. For you, it's just a video, but for me, this was my reality. I knew that there'd be challenging days, but today I was thankful for the ease of the ride to my next destination. One thing I need to release in my heart is the desire for control and to embrace the mystery of the unknown, because that is where true adventure lies. Good morning, people. Hope you slept well. I discovered a little gem. I found the same coffee machine that I have at home. I asked them if I could use it, and they said I could. So the plan is I'm currently in Napier, and the plan is to travel tomorrow, which is Wednesday, from here all the way to Struisbaai, which is basically right next to the Cape Agulhas. Now, Cape Agulhas is the most southern tip of Africa, and that is also where the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean meet up. That's where they vibe. They mix, they get together there. So yeah, that's the plan. Hiking might feel tedious, but to me it's like donning armor for battle. It's a moment to clear your mind and prepare for the journey ahead. A time to accept that this could be the last. But you push that thought aside knowing you have to show up for yourself, and that is truly liberating. So, give you context as to where we are. Yesterday there was a sketchy crossing. It actually looks like they've done something to it. They fixed it a little bit. Anyways, yeah, so this is... now it's unknown territory. But beautiful territory. Look. Awesome. Let's get cracking. Alright, good pushing. Oh shit. I've lost my track on the GPS. That's not good. Okay, need to turn around. That was almost a failure. Cool. Perks of turning around is
got a beautiful view. Can't believe I missed that, man. I wonder how far off. Just missed our off turn. Actually, by chance, looked at the GPS. I was like, I didn't see that there was a road, but then I was like, when I saw the road, I was like, wait, should I? Oh man. Ow. Saw the road and I was like, should I turn down there? Checked on the GPS, but kind of cruised past. Turns out I must turn down here. Just wash off some speed. Okay, I'll be honest, I didn't handle that in the best way. Should wash off speed. Okay. Some crossing here. This looks like the best way to go. It might be soft, just constant speed. Yeah, nothing serious. Yeah, awesome. Yo, it must have rained a lot here. Still, like, I haven't done much water crossings, to be honest, so I tread on the cautious side. I think the main thing is that I've got a lot of electronics on board, so if the bike does get dumped into the water, might be serious damage to all my electronics. I know the bags are waterproof and all that stuff, but I don't know, I just prefer to be on the cautious side of things, especially solo traveling. But yeah, I think as the trip goes on, obviously my confidence will start to be built, and yeah, the more my confidence gets built, confidence in the machine, my gut feeling, all that stuff will develop over the trip. That's very soft. It's like a combo between putting your weight back. Super. Like just eating up these ruts, these cross ruts. Just really need to be careful for washouts and potholes with water in them. Don't want to stick one over the handlebars. Look at these sheep. Nice. Scar placey. Cool. Oh, the luggage has moved off. Really. Look at that. That's not good. The right choice. I saw that my one bag is torn. Pulled out of the seam. I don't know why. But yeah, I need to take that in to get it fixed, because the inner lining is exposed, and I know that's waterproof, but I don't want to just count on that, so I need to take that in, get that fixed ASAP. Had a bit of an incident and unfortunately damaged my internal mic cable. Had a bit of an incident. So yeah, there will be no more internal mic for the rest of the trip. Which sucks because I specifically bought that mic like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, we will just get another one. know, this could be deep or not deep. How soft is this? Is this soft? Oh, I can push through here. Awesome. Just pushing. Have a look at that. This is good. This is good.
The going went slow. I was running out of daylight again. The road was pretty washed out, and I just reminded myself that this is the point. Despite being cold and it getting dark, I still had a smile on my face, for I knew that I was showing up for myself. It stirs something inside of you, a desire being met, something that can only be reconciled once you made peace with the unknown, a habit that will hopefully become second nature. The GPS over here is going to take us on a gravel road, but it's starting to get late, and I'm past the point of really having fun and just getting there safely. And I'm really scared that the road is washed out. It's starting to get dark now. So I think I'm going to take the tar road to my destination, because I can see, if you take a look over there, like, that's water, it's water everywhere. So I don't think it's wise to change the route to tar road to the next destination. It's been a bit of a destructive day. It's been a bit of a tough one today, to be honest, and it's getting late. So I think I'm gonna stick to the tar.
Arrived here safely. No idea if someone's actually here. Let's have a look. Okay, just look at the state of this. It is a mess. Yeah, we had a bit of a destructive day on the bike. Yeah, I mean, you can see, look at this. This needs to be sorted out. Show that again. That needs to be sorted out. You can see here. Yeah, that's not right. There was another thing that broke somewhere. Oh yeah, the mic
in the helmet broke as well. So it's been a bit of a destructive day. I was glad I took my gut feeling and went on the tar road, because it was quite far still at that point when I made that decision. And when I was looking, so this is basically a wrap for today.
So thank you for sticking around till the end of the video. I really do appreciate it, and it does go a long way. So this is just to kind of give you context as where I'm traveling from and to. So the first day I traveled from just outside of Stanford all the way to Napier. This whole section here is gravel route, and here was that sketchy crossing that I had. Then on the Wednesday I traveled from Napier, backtracking past the sketchy crossing, and in this section was the section that I got a bit lost and had the incident. And then I stopped here and decided to rather take the tar road all the way to Struisbaai. So I went all along this route. So this part of the track remains unexplored. Now, I believe my gut feeling was correct, because as you can see, here's a lot of water in this region. And apparently like 2 weeks ago, they really had heavy rain. So here is a whole bunch of water and a whole bunch of mud. So at the end of the day, I was really glad I trusted my gut. So if you like this content, I really do encourage you to like and subscribe. It does go a long way to help the channel. Until the next video, see you.